Hello everyone, I have an awesome video for you today, and today we're going to be doing Kirby for this episode. And I'm going to go ahead and use this Matisse black gesso to color in the background because I'm going to do like a little galaxy effect. Okay, so I decided to take a break from the background, let the paint dry so I can put more layers and more effects on there, and I decided to paint Kirby. I'm almost done with him, and I will show you how it comes out at the end. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I will love it if you subscribe. Hit that bell notification button down below so you don't miss out on future videos, and give this video a like. So here is the final piece. I love how it looks. The little white splatters, which are the stars, really pulled the galaxy together. This was so much fun. Thank you all so much for joining me. This wraps up our video. So I like getting my videos. Keep creating, keep inspiring. Bye bye.
Ah, look at the mess. I made a mess. So much mess. But it was fun.